Hello, everyone. Today, I will explain the concept of the bypass message layer in Skyvva. What is bypassing the message layer? Bypassing message layer is a field or flag that created on the interface level. With this flag, you can bypass the message layer. When you checkbox this flag, all messages, new, pending, failed, completed, partial completed, will not be created. It bypasses saving the message into the Skyvva message layer. It dominates the interface mode whether it is synchronous or asynchronous. When to use the bypass message layer. Use the bypass message layer when you want to save your data storage as it consumes less and fast. Use this feature to skip creating message step. Hard deleted message. When this flag is enabled, the system will skip the message layer completely. No messages will be created, including new, pending, failed, completed, partial completed. So, the system does not store any messages in the Skyvva message layer. How does it work? Normally, data goes through the message layer, where it is stored and processed. But in this diagram, when the bypass flag is checked, the flow goes directly forward. It skips message creation and storage. That's why you see red cross on the message layer, direct flow to processing without saving data. So, late to the demo. Disabled normal flow. Verify message creation when the bypass message layer is disabled. Now, navigate to the inbound interface that has already been configured. Go to the Runtime Configuration, General section. Here, you'll find the checkbox called Bypass Message Layer. If this option is enabled, messages will not be stored in Salesforce. By default, this checkbox is disabled. Next, we already have 2 account records prepared in Salesforce. Now, switch to Postman to review the payload structure. As you can see, the payload contains 2 account records. However, the second record is missing the name field. In the mapping configuration, the external ID is set to name. Therefore, any record without a name value will fail during processing. Now, click the Send button. When the Skyvva returns a 200 OK response, it means the inbound message has been successfully received and processed. Next, go to the Integration Detail page. Click on the Message Monitor tab. Scroll down and click the Apply Filter button to check the message status. In this example, the inbound message contains multiple records. One record is processed successfully, while another fails due to missing external ID data. As a result, the overall message shows a partial complete with mixed statuses. This means that only one record is successfully imported into Salesforce. Now, click to view the record. The account test has been created successfully. Enabled bypass flow. Verify no message creation when the bypass message layer is enabled. Now, navigate to the inbound interface that has already been configured. Go to the Runtime Configuration, General section. Here, you will find the checkbox called Bypass Message Layer. Click the Edit button, then enable the Bypass Message Layer option. When this option is enabled, messages will not be stored in Salesforce. Finally, click the Save button. After the interface updates successfully, next, we already have 3 account records prepared in Salesforce. Now, switch to Postman to review the payload structure. As you can see, the payload contains 2 account records. The first record has the name Test Bypass Message Layer, while the second record is missing the name field. Now, click the Send button. When the Skyvva returns a 200 OK response, it means the inbound message has been successfully received and processed. Next, go to the Integration Detail page. Click on the Message Monitor tab. Scroll down and click the Apply Filter button to check the message status. As you can see, there are no records displayed. This means that when the bypass message layer is enabled, messages are not stored in Salesforce. Now, go to the account object to verify the result. You can see that the account named Test Bypass Message Layer has been created successfully in Salesforce, even though no message record was stored. Bypassing the message layer means the following. No message is created or stored in Skyvva.
Faster. Save storage.
Simpler, less tracking. So use it when performance is more important than monitoring.